I'd like to discuss an incredibly lucrative side hustle that has received minimal attention, and it requires no upfront investment or specialized skills. The best part is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. This side hustle is also known as Google to Purchase, and it has the potential to generate passive income, with some individuals making up to $760,000 per year. Consider this. Making Sense of Sense, a website with just 81,000 monthly visitors, manages to earn $750,000 annually. All of this success originates from the very side hustle I'm about to introduce in this video. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. What is Google to Purchase? But what exactly is Google to Purchase? Well, there are over 99,000 searches occurring on Google every single second, and at least half of these searches are related to product purchases. These searches encompass various products such as gaming chairs or hiking water bottles. Even niche queries like best hiking boots receive around 27,100 searches per month. Best gaming chairs attracts approximately 40,000 monthly searches. Each of these searches represents a potential opportunity to generate substantial income. Think about all the times you've turned to Google to search for a specific product. For instance, I recently sought a new external hard drive, so I typed Best External Hard Drive into Google. I then clicked on a review article on Tom's Guide, perused different hard drives, and ultimately clicked the Amazon link to make my purchase. What many people overlook is that individuals creating product review articles are the ones who benefit from this process. When I clicked on the Amazon link from the Tom's Guide website and made my purchase, Tom's Guide received a commission. This is the essence of Google to Purchase, and websites employing this strategy are what I refer to as Google to Purchase middlemen. They craft list-style product reviews, employ specific techniques to rank their articles on Google, which I'll explain shortly, and earn hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars each month. This is the same strategy used by websites like NerdWallet, which rakes in over $538 million annually. What's more, this side hustle is highly scalable, boasts minimal costs, and can be executed from the comfort of your own home or even while relaxing on a beach. I believe it's a remarkable business model that remains largely undiscovered, and more people should explore its potential. Selecting your niche. Before you dive into this endeavor, the first step is to choose your niche. You have various options. You can create list-style product reviews for outdoor gear, tech gadgets, or take a broader approach similar to the Wirecutter, covering everything from home and garden to style. There's no right or wrong way to go about this. However, starting with a specific product category can be advantageous in the beginning, enabling you to establish dominance within that niche. For instance, consider Switchback Travel, a site solely focused on listicle product reviews of outdoor products. Although the range of products within this niche is extensive, they successfully cover items such as ski pants and camping coolers. By searching for terms like best water bottles for hiking, you'll notice that Switchback Travel consistently ranks among the top results, attracting close to 7.5 million monthly visitors. With that level of traffic, they are likely generating six figures or more each month as Google to Purchase middlemen for outdoor products. But remember, this is just one example. You're not confined to one specific niche. In fact, you can tap into a wide array of niches. To help you brainstorm, you can turn to ChatGPT, which can provide you with a list of 20 different niche ideas. You might find inspiration in outdoor gear website akin to Switchback Travel. For the purpose of this video, we'll focus on kitchen appliances as a niche. However, you could even broaden it further to encompass home and kitchen products. Creating your website. Once you've decided on your niche, the next step is to create your website. The good news is that you don't need to be tech-savvy or write a single line of code to achieve a professional-looking website. Website hosting. All you need to get started is a reliable website hosting service, and Hostinger offers a cost-effective option. Now you might be thinking, but you said this side hustle could be done with no money. Well, you're in luck because this website hosting will set you back less than the price of a cup of coffee each month. With Hostinger, you can secure premium hosting for just $3 per month. To get started, go to www.hostinger.com/web-hosting. Once there, add the premium hosting plan to your cart. You might notice there's a plan available for just $2 per month next to the $3 per month plan. However, the slightly more expensive plan, which comes with a free domain name, is the better choice. A domain name is a www.website.com address, and it's an essential component of your website. Opting for the $3 per month plan ensures you receive additional features, including weekly backups, security features, a free email, and more. After adding the plan to your cart, select the desired payment period. Choosing a longer plan period allows you to save money and could mean savings of hundreds of dollars. If you're still uncertain, don't worry. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it a risk-free choice. After selecting your plan, you'll enter your email and payment details. Once you're signed up and logged in, click on Claim Domain to choose a name for your website. If your desired domain name is unavailable, keep trying until you find one that works. After securing your free domain, proceed to set up your premium hosting. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when prompted to create or migrate a site, select Create a Site and then WordPress. Create your login credentials for the website, skip unnecessary screens, and select your domain name as the website's name. Click Finish Setup, and Hostinger will work its magic to establish your website. After landing on the site, click Edit Website to access the back end. Next, navigate to Appearance, select Themes, and click on Add New. By searching for news in the theme search bar, you'll find numerous free news website themes to give your site the desired look. Many of these themes emulate the appearance of popular product review websites like CNET or Wirecutter. Explore the themes and choose one that suits your preference. For example, I find the newsboard theme appealing, so I click Install. After a quick installation, I click Activate. Once you've installed the theme, you might notice a notice recommending specific plugins. The one that matters most is One-Click Demo Import. This plugin is essential as it can transform your website from a basic setup to a finished website with minimal effort. After activating this plugin, head on to Appearance and click Import Demo Data. Depending on the theme, you might find an Install Demo Data button that simplifies the process. Upon completion, your website should now look more like a polished, functioning site. The last adjustment is to remove any elements you don't want. For instance, if you wish to eliminate the scrolling bar at the top, access the customization options by clicking on Customize. You'll notice pencil icons throughout the screens, and these allow you to make adjustments. By selecting specific elements, you can enable or disable them according to your preference. In just a matter of minutes, you've set up a fully functional website that's also optimized for mobile devices. The final steps include generating content ideas, achieving Google search rankings for your content, and learning how to craft effective articles. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Generating content ideas. Now let's discuss how to brainstorm content ideas. To illustrate, we'll use our niche, home and kitchen, as an example. The method I'm going to show you involves ChatGPT, which can provide us with a list of content ideas. You can start with this initial list, and if you need more ideas, simply click the Regenerate Response button and ChatGPT will generate additional suggestions. Here's the key. Don't merely copy these ideas verbatim. Let's say, for instance, one of the ideas is coffee maker. You could create a listicle article about the best coffee makers, and that's a valid approach. However, this might lead to intense competition since popular websites like Consumer Reports and the New York Times rank at the top of Google for such general searches. These established websites are considered authoritative by Google, and authority matters when it comes to search rankings. When you're just starting out, the strategy is to target less competitive keywords. You can do this by narrowing down your focus to specific products within your niche. For example, instead of writing an article about the best coffee makers, you could create content about the best coffee makers under $100. When you search for such specific keywords, you'll notice that smaller websites tend to rank higher. Even if a major site like Consumer Reports cover these specific topics, smaller websites can still outperform them. Larger websites primarily concentrate on high-traffic, broad searches, so they don't invest time in less popular, more specific queries. For instance, Best Coffee Makers receives about 74,000 monthly searches, while Best Coffee Makers under $100 gets around 1,300 searches per month. These might seem like low numbers individually, but when you produce numerous articles, each targeting specific, less competitive keywords, the cumulative traffic can grow substantially. This strategy mirrors what I employed with my own product review blog, The Investor Post, where I successfully competed against major finance websites like NerdWallet and Bankrate. There are two ways to find these less competitive keywords, and both are free. The first method involves starting with a popular search term like Best Coffee Maker on Google. Google will suggest related searches such as Best Coffee Maker with grinder or Best Coffee Maker under 100. These are the type of queries that smaller websites can rank for effectively. Another trick is to scroll down to the bottom of the search results page after conducting one of these searches. Google often recommends additional related searches, which can help you discover even more specific, less competitive keywords. For instance, if you're writing about coffee makers, you might explore Best Single Cup Coffee Maker under 100 or Best Thermal Carafe Coffee Maker under 100. These suggested queries are based on real user searches, and targeting them can be highly effective. Another method involves checking out your competition. Let's say you're building a Google to Purchase website about home and kitchen products. Popular websites like the Wirecutter have extensive sections dedicated to product reviews in this category. For instance, you could examine their toaster reviews. It's a safe bet that when you search for best toasters on Google, the Wirecutter, now owned by the New York Times, will rank at the top. However, by using our approach, we can identify less competitive keywords for toaster reviews. For instance, we might enter best toaster into Google and see what suggestions pop up. One of these suggestions could be best toaster for bagels. Interestingly, no one has actually published an article about the best toasters for bagels. Google, in the absence of such articles, tends to recommend the closest alternative, which in this case is the New York Times General Toaster Review. However, if you write a specific article about the best toasters for bagels, you're likely to rank higher than the New York Times. This is how Google Search operates. To aid your research, you can also install the free browser add-on called Keyword Surfer. This tool provides monthly search volume data for specific keywords and offers suggestions based on a keyword you enter. When it comes to monetizing your Google to Purchase website, affiliate links are the primary source of income. For instance, Wirecutter, like most product review websites, uses affiliate links extensively. When a user clicks on one of these links and makes a purchase, Wirecutter earns a commission. To set up this system, you'll need to join various affiliate programs. If you're focusing on home and kitchen products, you could consider affiliating with Amazon, Walmart, or Target. Every link or button on your site that leads to products should be an affiliate link, allowing you to earn a commission when users buy the products you recommend. With these key points, we've covered the essential aspects of this topic. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.